Hello and welcome to Moving Violations. This is Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. A few problems here. First one is the box on the right there. That's not weatherproof and does not comply with section 314.15 for this wet location. Also, you may notice that there are no clips on either the EMT or the rigid PVC conduit. That one's broken there. So those would be a violation. For the EMT, it would be section 358.30, and for the rigid PVC conduit, that would be 352.30 for the support requirements. And then one other thing I'd like to note is that there is no expansion fitting on this run of rigid PVC conduit. That's a pretty long run. It would definitely experience a length change greater than 1/4 of an inch between a fixed point like that and a fixed point on the other end. So there's a few violations with these two installations that we see here.